Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can turn off instant booking and enable 24-hour review on Vrbo, which is an application which is very similar to Airbnb, and it is for renting properties. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, you want to be logged into your account, and once you are in your account, you need to select your listing. Once you are at your listing, you want to select your property and then go into rules and policies, then select booking type, and under booking type you can choose whether you want instant booking or 24-hour review, and once you choose it you need to select save. Now the difference between these two is once you book a listing, you will be either, depending on the booking choice that you make, you will either instantly book it, which means it is confirmed that you are booking it as soon as you book it, or you can go up for 24-hour review. 24-hour review means that you have 24 hours to review the listing before you actually book it. If you find any flaws in it, you can cancel the booking and then find another one. This one is better in my opinion. However, instant booking is on by default, so it is also very useful. And yeah, that's been about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.